We'll guide you through how to fix apps not opening on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone. So it's an annoying problem when apps are not opening because you then can't go and access them. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to try resolving this. Make sure it's this full guide, as otherwise you may go and skip the method that goes and solves the problem for you. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So for the first fix, what you want to try doing is the app may sort of be half open and it's glitched, and that's why it's not fully opening. So what we can do is go and fully close it and try opening it again. So you can go and swipe up from the bottom like so. You can swipe across and see if you can find the app. And then all you want to do is go and swipe up on it. Do that on the app, then try it and seeing if it will go and open up. Now, if you're finding it still won't open, or other apps are not opening as well, then what you want to try doing is coming into your settings if you can. If you're unable to go and access settings right now, don't worry, we'll have another method in a moment. What you want to do is scroll down and go and find general, and you want to go and check your iPhone storage. If the storage is very full, like almost completely full, this can go and cause problems, and some apps are not going to go and open up and they may go and crash if they just don't have enough storage to go and work essentially. So if that's the case, you can go and see at the top here, I've got 80 gigabytes used and I've got 175 free. So that's not a problem for me. But if you've got literally no free storage, that can go and be the problem. However, if you've tried closing it or that wasn't even showing up there, or you've got plenty of storage, the next thing you can try doing is a restart. This is a great fix I found for me personally before. This just goes and refreshes the iPhone. So what we're going to do is press the volume increase here, then decrease, and then tap and hold the side power button. Keep this held down, do not release. So you can see at the moment it says slide to power off. You just want to go and keep that held down. Keep the side button held down, it's now gone black. You're only going to go and release it when you see the Apple icon, as you can see. Now it's going to go and start. It shouldn't go and take too much longer, it should almost be done. And I found this goes and has resolved the problem for me before. So hopefully it will do for you as well. As you can see, here we are. We can then go and unlock it. And now what you want to try doing is opening up the app. And hopefully now it's going to be working. If it still isn't, then what you can try doing is deleting it if it's with a specific one. So you can go and tap and hold your finger on it, press remove app, and go and delete the app. Of course, this will go and lose any data you have on the app. And after deleting it, you can try downloading it again. And hopefully it'll then go and be solved if there's a problem with it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again soon.